Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree branch. Account holder's name Richard Sharp. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the drop box. Use Jamaica National drop box to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a drop box and pay for it. And you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 111 out of 150 questions. This question asks, 5 over 6 is equal to n over 12. N is equal to, the choices are A, 10, B, 60, C, 30, D, 70. Again, the question and choices are 5 over 6 is equal to n over 12. N is equal to, the choices are A, 10, B, 60, C, 30, D, 72. Do you know how to calculate algebra? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. 5 over 6 is equal to n over 12. N is equal to, the choices are A, 10, B, 60, C, 30, D, 72. Now to read my answer. 5 over 6 is equal to n over 12. 5 times 12 is equal to 6 times n. 60 is equal to 6 times n. N is equal to 60 divided by 6. N is equal to 10. Answer A. Now to explain my answer. Write the fractions. The fractions are 5 over 6 is equal to n over 12. The fractions are 5 over 6 is equal to n over 12. Next you do what you call cross multiply. Next you do what you call cross multiply. Next you cross multiply. Next you cross multiply. To cross multiply, you multiply a numerator with a denominator. To cross multiply, you multiply a numerator with a denominator. Therefore, we multiply 5 times 12 and we multiply 6 times n. Therefore, we multiply 5 times 12 and we multiply 6 times n. So, 5 times 12 is equal to 60 and 60 is equal to 6 times n. Again, 5 times 12 is equal to 60 and 60 is equal to 6 times n. Next, let's calculate what n is. You are going to take the n over to the other side of the equal sign. When you take the number over to the other side of the equal sign, you change the sign. When you take the unknown number, or when you take the number over to the other side of the equal sign, you change the sign. You change it from multiply to divide, or divide to multiply, add to subtract, or subtract to add. So when you take the number over to the other side of the equal sign, you change the sign to the opposite. When you take the number over to the other side of the equal sign, you change the sign to the opposite. The opposite is add to subtract, subtract to add, multiply to divide, or divide to multiply. Okay, right now we have multiply, so we're going to change it to divide. Right now we have multiply, so we're going to change it to divide. Right now we have multiply, so we're going to change it to divide. Right now we have multiply, so we're going to change it to divide. So therefore, n is equal to 60 divided by 6. N is equal to 60 divided by 6. 60 divided by 6 is 10. 60 divided by 6 is 10. So therefore, n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Answer A, 10. Answer A, 10. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
receive about 1,000 practice exercises with worked out and explained answers from each of the 5 GSAT subjects by email for only $4,000 per subject. Okay, you can receive about 1,000 thereabouts exercises with worked out answers for the mathematics and maybe explained answers for the other subjects. The subjects being, and they are suitable for PEP also, mathematics, language arts, communication talks, social studies, and science. And remember that these are I have GSAT here, but it's suitable for PEP also. It will be the same syllabus basically. So you can receive about 1,000 exercises with answers, some of them explained for language arts, communication talk, science, and social studies, and with worked out answers for basically all of them, for the mathematics, worked out answers for all of the mathematics, worked out and explained for the mathematics as well, worked out and explained. So you'll get thorough answers in these exercises with answers. Receive them for only $4,000 per subject, and you will get them by email. They will be emailed to you the day after payment is made. So they will be emailed to you the day after payment is made. On the screen you can see I have, for the exercises, I have round to the nearest 10, and then the other one round to the nearest 100, and the other one round to the nearest 1,000. Those are examples of the exercises that you will get the answers to. You will receive the exercises and the thorough worked out and explained answers for each question by email for only $4,000 per subject. So go ahead, write down the account number that I have on the screen here, along with the account holder's name and the branch of the bank and the name of the bank, and go ahead and get all 5 subjects right now. All 5 subjects: mathematics, language arts, communication talk, science, and social studies. Get all 5 subjects, practice exercises with answers right now. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.